Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tips and tricks for home cleaning and organization. Today, we have an exciting episode in store for you. If you're tired of constantly battling dust in your home, then this video is for you. Get ready to say goodbye to dust with our revolutionary hacks for a dust-free home. Let's get right to it. Dust is a persistent problem in many households, causing allergies, respiratory issues, and general discomfort. But fear not. We have gathered an extensive list of revolutionary hacks that will transform your home into a dust-free oasis. Let's get started with our first set of strategies. Start by decluttering your space. Remove unnecessary items that tend to accumulate dust, such as old newspapers, magazines, or unused decorations. Opt for minimalism to reduce surfaces where dust can settle. Next, focus on textiles. Swap out heavy curtains for blinds or sheer curtains that are easier to clean. Choose washable fabrics for furniture covers and bedding to make regular cleaning a breeze. Additionally, consider using hypoallergenic pillowcases and mattress covers to minimize dust mite allergens. Another effective strategy is to replace carpeting with hard flooring like hardwood, tile, or laminate. Carpets tend to trap dust and allergens, making it challenging to keep them clean. By opting for hard flooring, you eliminate a significant dust magnet in your home. Don't forget to clean your vents and filters regularly. Dust and debris can accumulate in HVAC systems, leading to a constant circulation of dust throughout your home. By keeping your vents and filters clean, you reduce the amount of dust entering your living spaces. Additionally, consider using dust-proof covers for your electronics, such as televisions, computers, and gaming consoles. These covers prevent dust from settling on the surfaces and vents of your devices, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Lastly, ensure that your bedding, such as pillows, mattresses, and comforters, is regularly washed and protected with allergen-proof covers. Dust mites and their waste products can accumulate in bedding, contributing to dust in your home. Dust magnets removed and replaced, great job. Now let's move on to our next set of strategies. Hack number 2. Designating dust-free zones can be a game changer in maintaining a cleaner home. Start by keeping shoes outside or in an entryway designated for footwear. Shoes can track in dirt and dust from the outside, so preventing them from entering your living spaces will significantly reduce dust accumulation. Another effective measure is to establish a no smoking indoors policy. Cigarette smoke not only leaves behind a lingering odor but also introduces harmful particles that can settle as dust. Encourage smokers to enjoy their habit outdoors, minimizing the impact on your indoor air quality. Also, consider placing air purifiers in high-traffic areas or rooms prone to dust accumulation. These devices help capture airborne particles, including dust, and improve the overall air quality in specific areas of your home. When it comes to pets, keeping them groomed and bathed regularly can significantly reduce the amount of pet dander and fur in your home. Brushing them outdoors or in designated areas can prevent loose hair from spreading throughout your living spaces. Lastly, make sure to close windows and doors when outdoor conditions are particularly dusty, such as during construction or windy days. This simple step can help prevent excessive dust from entering your home. To further establish dust-free zones, consider using mats or rugs with anti-slip and anti-dust properties at entranceways and high-traffic areas. These specialized mats trap dust and dirt, preventing it from spreading to other areas of your home. Additionally, encourage family members and guests to remove their shoes upon entering your home. Provide a shoe rack or dedicated shoe storage near the entrance to make it convenient for everyone. Lastly, minimize clutter in dust-sensitive areas, such as bedrooms and home offices. Keep surfaces clear and use organizational tools to prevent dust from accumulating on books, papers, and other items. But we're not done yet. Let's move on to our next set of strategies. Number 3. Now, let's talk about cleaning techniques that will truly revolutionize the way you tackle dust in your home. Traditional dusting methods can often spread dust around instead of capturing it. Instead, try using microfiber cloths or electrostatic dusters. These tools attract and hold onto dust particles effectively. When vacuuming, make sure you have a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter. HEPA filters are designed to capture even the tiniest dust particles, making the air cleaner and reducing dust resettlement. Don't forget to vacuum curtains, upholstery, and mattresses regularly, as they can harbor significant amounts of dust. Pay attention to overlooked areas such as ceiling fans, light fixtures, and vents. These areas tend to accumulate dust, but are often forgotten during regular cleaning routines. Use an extendable duster or a microfiber cloth attached to a long-handled mop to reach high and out-of-the-way spots. Also, consider using a steam cleaner on hard surfaces. Steam not only helps remove dirt and grime but also kills dust mites and allergens. It's a chemical-free and highly effective method to combat dust. To prevent dust from resettling after cleaning, try using an anti-static spray on surfaces like electronics, television screens, and furniture. This spray helps repel dust, keeping your surfaces cleaner for longer. Lastly, consider investing in a robot vacuum cleaner. These smart devices can be programmed to clean your floors regularly, ensuring that dust and dirt are constantly removed. They are particularly useful for busy individuals or those with mobility limitations. For a thorough cleaning, don't forget to include your window blinds and shades. Dust tends to accumulate on these surfaces, so using a microfiber cloth or a blind cleaner tool can make the task more efficient. When cleaning your floors, use a mop or a microfiber dusting pad to pick up loose dust particles before mopping. This ensures that you're not spreading the dust around with a wet mop. Lastly, remember to clean your cleaning tools. Wash microfiber cloths, replace vacuum cleaner bags or empty canisters, and clean or replace mop heads regularly. Dirty cleaning tools can reintroduce dust back into your home. It's time to say goodbye to outdated cleaning techniques and embrace these revolutionary methods for optimal dust-free results. But wait, there's more. Let's move on to our next set of strategies. Hack 4. Improve indoor air quality. The quality of your indoor air plays a crucial role in dust accumulation. Here are some tips to improve it. First, keep your home well ventilated. Open windows regularly to let fresh air circulate, which helps remove airborne particles. Additionally, consider using air purifiers equipped with HEPA filters to capture dust and other allergens. Another effective strategy is to maintain optimal humidity levels. Dust mites thrive in humid environments, so using a dehumidifier or an air conditioner can help control their population. Keep humidity levels between 40% and 50% for best results. Regularly changing your HVAC system's air filters is essential for maintaining good indoor air quality. Filters become clogged with dust over time, reducing their efficiency. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to determine the frequency of filter changes. Additionally, consider adding indoor plants known for their air purifying properties, such as peace lilies, spider plants, or Boston ferns. These plants help remove airborne pollutants and improve the overall air quality in your home. Regularly inspect and clean your air ducts to prevent dust buildup. Over time, dust can settle in your ductwork and get circulated throughout your home. Hire a professional service to thoroughly clean your ducts and improve your indoor air quality. Lastly, consider placing indoor air purifying bags or activated charcoal in areas prone to dust accumulation, such as closets, cabinets, or storage spaces. These natural odor absorbers can also help trap dust particles, keeping your surroundings cleaner. By improving your indoor air quality, you're not only reducing dust but also creating a healthier living environment. But wait, we're not done just yet. Hack 5. Prevention is key. Our final set of strategies focuses on preventing dust from entering your home in the first place. Start by placing doormats at all entrances to trap dirt and dust from shoes. Encourage family members and guests to wipe their feet before entering. Additionally, consider investing in high-quality air filters for your HVAC system. These filters capture dust particles and prevent them from circulating throughout your home. Regularly replace the filters according to the manufacturer's instructions to ensure optimal performance. Dust can also accumulate on electronics, so it's important to clean them regularly. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down screens, keyboards, and other electronic devices to prevent dust buildup. Consider upgrading your windows to double pane or energy-efficient windows. These windows not only provide better insulation but also help reduce the amount of dust and outdoor pollutants that enter your home. Seal any gaps or cracks around windows, doors, and other openings to prevent dust from sneaking in. Use weather stripping or caulk to seal these areas effectively. Use a high-quality vacuum cleaner with a sealed system and strong suction power. This will ensure that dust is effectively captured and contained within the vacuum, rather than being released back into the air. Regularly wash or replace your window treatments, such as curtains and blinds, to prevent dust buildup. Opt for machine washable curtains or blinds that are easy to clean. Lastly, consider investing in a dust-free air purifier for your bedroom. These specialized devices create an environment that is highly resistant to dust accumulation, ensuring a cleaner and more comfortable sleep space. Bonus hack: natural dusting spray. Create a natural dusting spray by combining equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Add a few drops of essential oil of your choice for a pleasant scent. Shake well before each use and spray onto a microfiber cloth. Gently wipe surfaces to pick up dust and leave a fresh, clean scent behind. This natural dusting spray is effective and safe for your health and the environment. That concludes today's episode on revolutionary hacks for a dust-free home. We hope you found these tips helpful and are inspired to apply them in your own home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay dust-free and take care.